sorry guys, it's just too much. So today we're actually in creative mode. So like one of my adventures were in survival mode. I'm not there's some. I actually also had a more some creative mode adventures. Yeah. So there's actually a way. Like we're in this desert temple. We're not actually trapped in here. You just go up the stairs. This is the only way you could find. This is the easiest way. Like when I first found this is it. It's totally. Let's just first explore this. Why? Okay. Before, wait. There's actually a wire. Wait. So there's actually a wire that is actually to contain it, and this is our challenge. The mission. Oh no, it's getting night. It's okay. So we're not gonna like sleep in this night and waste the whole time like right now. But we do need a bed. Like right now we're in a creative mode, so we're lucky. You don't have to kill any sheep. Let's just go here, get the bed for a minute. So the next morning we're gonna explore this place, and then we're gonna figure out how to. Okay. Peace out. A little moment. Right. Up to the next. Okay. This needs a little bit of fixing of a grass block. Yeah, I kind of mess it up sometimes. Oh wait. Oh, there's actually another task we have to do. Oh, let's do that task first. So like we could. So we have to see for any gaps too. Oh, this is very interesting. Okay. Let's see if there's any gaps. Okay, so this is a little bit. Wait. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it's just too much right now. Okay, so let's explore this place. Wait, so wait, they just missed 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now all around it, they have missed like 3 houses. Oh wait, this needs a little bit fixing. Look, it's a bit short one. Oh wait, we could actually make it long. Oh, let's put it. No, let's not put it all around. Just take this one that they missed out. Wait, so let's not take out the farms. That would be like, so we just cannot like survive without food. Or that, because that would be super messed up. Bro, oh no. Okay, that's okay because, oh no, 2. They missed 2. Okay, oh come on. Okay, let's just figure out what is this supposed to be. Well, let's just take some like cobblestone. Okay, let's just see what it is. Let's see what the magic is. It's a rabbit. Is it underwear? Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. Tom. Okay. Ew. Ew, bro. You are so bad. Bro, what are you? You're pooping. Bro, why are you pooping? Okay, this is too much work. Okay, let's just make stick crafting table. No, let's not make crafting table. Let's just figure out what is this. What is? Oh wait. Wait, so this. What's this? Make a little more construction work because you can just like piece out like this. That would be like a really short day. Bro, this is almost like Talking Tom too. Like just screaming off the TNT. What if Tom played Minecraft with me and he saw this and he had freaked out of this and what's the matter and there's TNT and I had no idea and I immediately die. That would be so funny, guys. And I would never do that. If Tom says that, I would freak out. I actually played with my friend Daniel and stuff. First, let's just activate the situation. Whoa! Wait. It's Daryl the Free? Oh, one time. Wait. What's this rude? Okay, let's just do something about this for now. And then, okay, we need a lever. So what are we going to do with this? Oh wait, I know where to rest. Okay. Oh, I get it now. Wait, so what's this? Wait for 5 minutes. No, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's just stand right here. Dude. Whoa, oh my. Everything is lagging. Bro, what? Oh my god. It's just wait. Wait, did Weirdo survive? Oh my god. That was a max. I heard. There was a husk. I didn't know that. A husk came and killed people. Is that it? I'll kill this husk. Just once. Stop it. You have to die. Sorry. Okay. Wait, then I got rotten flesh. Let's go, no rotten flesh. Eventually, I'm not in survival mode. I'm lucky. Because that zombie would almost kill me. How did the creeper just came here? It's almost like a massive explosion. Okay, so is there any iron here? No. Wait, that would be my last episode, and people would peace out and say, "Hello,
I turned my smartphone into a TV remote and pranked my friend.
Okay, remote control for Roku. That's never a pranking. You are pranking me too much. Okay? So there's no iron. Thank you guys for watching, but I actually still have to tell you the news about the golden medal champion with it. So it's gonna be pretty easy, guys. So I will give you a golden medal. No, not eventually. It's just in Minecraft. So thank you. And I hope you like and subscribe to comment for more videos. Check on Stay. Yes.